Welcome to Zyxel, and welcome to our support service portal, your single point of contact when it comes to technical support for our devices. Within the Zyxel support portal, you will find, besides the options for contacting our technical specialist, a huge portfolio of more than 600 self-help articles available in 17 different languages that will easily guide you through our products. To visit our support portal, simply navigate to support.zyxel.eu. The portal will be automatically displayed in your local language. The navigation in our support service portal is super easy and intuitive. You can either find your relevant content by navigating through our categories and sections, or simply use our intelligent search function that already knows what you are searching for before you have finished typing. In addition to all the amazing self-help articles, we are offering something special to our customers. In our virtual lab section, you will have access to a huge selection of available pre-configured demo devices. You are planning something new and want to see how it is done directly on the device? Just log in to the demo devices and check the configuration. Sometimes even the best get stuck and need further support. Zyxel offers unique omni-channel support towards customers. You can raise a request over 4 different support forms for technical requests, RMA, configuration service, and training. Or visit our great forums to get help from the community, or simply call us. To get access to our phone numbers, an account is required. Sign in for free with the help of available single sign-on options for Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. Even this process is done with one click. Once you have created your account, you will have access to get quicker support, involve in conversations in our articles, or track the status of your present or past support requests. Zyxel Support Service Portal. We are looking forward to your visit at support.zyxel.eu to give you a remarkable support experience and deliver the latest technical insights to our products.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.